Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you ready to discover the top 5 coolest gadgets you absolutely need in your life? These innovative devices are designed to make your daily routine more convenient, entertaining, and downright amazing. So buckle up and let's dive right in. First up, we have the Smart Assistant speaker. This little powerhouse is not just a speaker, it's your very own personal assistant. It can answer your questions, play your favorite tunes, and even control your smart home devices. Imagine the convenience of having a hands-free helper right at your command. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Next on our list are the wireless earbuds. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to the freedom of wireless listening. These sleek and stylish earbuds offer top-notch sound quality and a comfortable fit, so you can enjoy your favorite music or podcasts wherever you go. Plus, their noise-canceling feature ensures that you can stay focused and in the zone, no matter how loud your surroundings are. Now let's talk about the smartwatch. This nifty gadget is like having a mini computer right on your wrist. It can track your fitness goals, send you notifications, and even make calls and send texts. With its sleek design and incredible functionality, you'll feel like a true tech-savvy trendsetter. This is the perfect accessory for those who want to stay connected and in control, all while looking stylish. Up next is the home security camera. This powerful little device offers peace of mind by keeping an eye on your home while you're away. With its high-quality video feed and smart notifications, you can rest easy knowing that your home is safe and secure. Plus, its sleek design blends seamlessly into any decor, making it the perfect addition to your smart home setup. Last but certainly not least, we have the virtual reality headset. Prepare to be transported to new worlds with this immersive gadget. Whether you're exploring fantasy landscapes or battling alien invaders, the virtual reality headset offers an unparalleled gaming and entertainment experience. So strap in and get ready for the ride of your life. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 coolest gadgets you need in your life right now. These incredible devices offer convenience, freedom, sophistication, security, and immersive experiences that will truly enhance your daily life. Don't wait any longer, embrace the power of technology and get your hands on these amazing gadgets today.